Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I ngasigi video sidi koi Manipur University Recruitment gi MTS to. Si MTS ki oidoi ba MTS ki syllabus da reasoning ability yawina. MTS khakta nate recruitment tawrisida reasoning ability ki syllabus to aduduma syllabus to yawriba whole concept to neba. Sigi se aigi video se whole concept oidoi ba ko. The particular aina sida example oina piriba question se exact exam da lakani haina di laite but topic tu gi concept tu neba aina share taw dori se ko so ying minarasi hafetang so ahan bada syllabus da analysis lebune ba analysis se kamina solve tawni analysis hai se karino hai badu hafet khangsiba analysis haragadi khoina precise understanding the precise meaning or definition of a word term and identifying the relation between the pair based on their definition neba haibadi sigisida akoina particular word to gi definition word natraga term to gi definition or magi meanings identify tawraga magi khetna base karino haibado adu da puthoka doineba magi relationship se karino haiba se identify tawdoineba sigi analysis ki types se mayam lei ko koina synonyms antonyms ki from the puthokpa lei pair koina opposite oiba pair putho haina ka hangi exam da ka hangi singse ko example in have kind of similar meaning habadi big haragadi magi opposite se large harani small haradi tiny oirani kaina sumaina ga hangakaneba habadi exam sida koine similar meaning synonyms ki ka hangena khalase bako question do the find the difference or find the odd one ka haire khalase big sumaina hairo big ki kari oidoino small gi tiny ni haire ko adi big ki kari no ka haire big ki large ni kind of sumaina taw doine option de ki fill taw doine ko then both pair are word with similar definition ko sumaina particular both pairs se mana bo word se similar definition oi bise pair tor ka doine aduga odd oi bana jaga mana da ama pira ka doine du find out taw doine ko aduga opposite meaning oiraga na hot ki cold ni day gi night ni kind toraga question se my set taw doine ba admai si particular exact hot cold day night se mong hangani haina leite ko atopa myam hamsi lakpa yaye ko but opposite meaning find out taw doine ba then pair or opposite by definition ko part natraga khoigi whole relation oigira much haidi sumaina ai isam jamna hai kanda example am pira se ba petals ki flower ni finger gi hand ni kaina pireba haibadi flower si the same matamda petals mayam punjalaga flower semini akhoigi hand si same matamda finger mayam punjalaga semini na adumaina tawraga whole relationship part gi whole the lakpagi relationship se asmaina tawraga su hange ba analysis si da khangaba so sumaina tawna hange then another types or mawong se analysis ki hangba mawong se object kumba function relation gi matang da su hange ba example in haraga pen se e na bani pen se right ni ko knife se cut tawna bani haina ka sumaina relation se sugumba object function gi relationship ki type da su na sugumba da su hange ba analysis ko then cause and effect ki relationship da su hange then cause and effect se example in haga fire gi di smoke pi rain gi di flood pi kind tawraga hangdoine ba ko isam na ha kan la sida fire gi smoke ni ha ko fire gi smoke ni dudi flood ki kari oidoin kaino gi rain gi kari oidoino kaina then school gi teacher ni harase be school gi di teacher ni adadagi amuka office ki kanano kaina ga tawraga sumaina tawna relation se asi se sumaina tawraga hangbasu yawe ba ko analysis ki sida then mathangi jina category and member relation gi matangda rose se karino flower ni mango se karino fruit ni kind tawraga sumaina tawraga su hangi ba ko category member relationship ta then degree and intensity matang su dum hangi warm sidi hot ni cold di cool ni kaina ko degree or intention gi matang da su hange bu ko haibadi sigi se one amana weak oi ba amana strong oi ba ko strong oi ba gi type ta tawraga degree se du gi matungi naga su hangbaga lyawe bu ko then instrument measurement gi matang da su dum hangi analysis ta hangan ba sing du ne bu ko clock ki di time ni thermometer gi di temperature ni clock sina koina khangdu se time ni na tra khangdu sa thermometer gi di temperature ne ba temperature ne ba koina khangdu se measurement tawbigi object ki matang daga se measurement instrument gi matang daga se hange ba ko analysis ta so sigi sing se analysis ta hang ba sing se ko analysis ti du milai lai bani ko ka haina lubu oi da bane Then another topic amana similarities. Similarities or similarity hadi reasoning the similarity hadi kaino hadi identifying how two or more object, words or idea are alike. Haibadi akoina reasoning the similarity tamise pot ani natraga ani dagi heliba pot to natraga word to natraga idea se alike oiba manaba common features, property, category or function common oiba puthokpado adu do similarities neba. Isam jamna hai kanda in short similarity hairagadi finding common link between the given item. Piriba item duga common link manaba mari manaba se ko common link oiba po se puthokpa sineba similarity hai se ko reasoning da di. Types of similarities in ma'am lay meaning based on similarities synonymy gi meaning da manaba meaning da puthokpaga lay ko words or object that have the same or very close meaning laibasing adugi matungi na sudum hangba yawi similarities ta ko happy gi di joyful ni ko happy gi joyful cheerful kain taraga happy di kai oidoino kain taraga sumaina taraga su hangba yawi ba ko haibadi jam haiga the same state of feelings asigi matungi na hangba ga yawi. Then another amana category or group similarity belonging the haidi same group the category the labra natraga same class the labra haibado adugi makha pona so hangba yawe bako. Example in ha kanda dog, cat, horse all are animals neba sigi base the tawraga sigi mawong the tawraga question hangba yae bako. Another amana function or use similarity ka function or use similarity hada koina seasonary ba matungina hangba yaba like pen, pencil, marker kari the seasonary makoi loina koi tools oina e na ba the seasonary neba natra mind tawraga hangba yaba pens na pen is for writing ko then book is for what kind of tawradum teacher is for what kind tawraga to pam dum hangba yae because minor tawraga haidi similarity oibo words hasigi matungi na hangba ga yawe buko. Then features of property similarity ko property natraga features manaba share the same characteristics of manaba gi matungi na ka hangba ko khogi gold silver copper se karino silver se karino icham chan ha ganda plastic is non metal ko copper is what hangadi copper se kaino metal ko dumaina copper silver ko gold kaino metal ni mo khogi same characteristic challe bako. Then item are part of the same word same whole ki part lakpa finger toe or thumb se kaina akoi body ki part amani ko mind down naga su tum hangba yawi ko. Cause and effect similarity ki su lai cause and effect haragadi related by cause and result ne ba rain gi flood ni ko landslide to e asi karino they all are the natural disaster ne ba that link by the effect na link oibu tu ne ba ko se so sumaina tawraga sudum hange sigumba haziki kaino sibudi similarities analysis ludabni bu ko live ni bu dum khoina common sense na dum puthokpa ya bane kitang khangadi ko. Then mathang dana differences particular syllabus su haifet ying bi ba differences yaw bune bu ko. Differences haragadi reasoning the differences karino haragadi identifying how two or more object, words or idea are unlike. Similarities haragadi manaba hai natra difference the di karinu haragadi pot ani natraga ani dagi hen graba object oigera wahi word oigera idea oigera unlike oiba unlike se karida based doino haragadi magi features the based over my properties the based over magi category the oiba magi function the oigera aduda identify to doine ba unlike oiba wahi unlike oiba meaning do puthoka doine ba difference haragadi manada puthoraka doine ba. In short, difference haragadi finding the distinguishing features that separate one from the other separate oiba manadaba oiba pot puthoka doine ba difference da si ko type of difference ying sib meaning based difference da su lai ko antonymy da haidi wahi manadaba daga taraga puthokpa leiba words or idea that have opposite meaning as mind taraga hangbasu yaw exam da ko hot versus cold day versus night kai taraga hangbaga yawe buko sumaina. Category ki difference lak taragadi belonging the different group or class exam da hangba matamda option je piraka doini tongan ba group ko segi sidagi odd oiba manada ba difference oiba ma put horo ka ga hai doini lion ji gaino animal plants rose ji gaino plant ko sumaina lion ki pirakani ko lion pira asen khalaje ba lion ama pire then tiger ama pire dagi cat ama pire dagi rose ama pire ko sidagi difference oi ba manada ba pot no puthoro oi di gari no plan se oi doina ra rose oi doina ra dum haina tawraga ne ba puthok do ko adiga difference da hangba ya ba kan da category difference ki maung da su hangba ya ye ba ko then function or use difference like function or use difference haragani kari the khenarakani hadi magi purpose or natraga magi role the khenarakpa pen se inabani suri se kai dawnabano cutting tawnabani adamaina tawraga maung da sum hangbe yai magi function or magi use tawbudugi role dugi matungina question se set tawba yai bako another maung amana kaino haraga the property or the features difference magi quality natraga characteristic the khenarakpa adugi base tawraga su hangba yai ba question se ko gold se metal ni wool se kaino wood se kaino non metal ni ka option da gold pire silver pire adagi copper pire na khalasi adagi amana wood pire na khalasi sigi sida difference oi base karambano kaine ga hangak pe bu ko dumaina tawraga then cause and effect ki difference matungina su hangba yai one is cause and another is effect rain gi cause kari no flood si kai no effect rain na flood pire e ko adagi another ma hangba yai ba landslide na kari thoi landslide na kamaina no deforestation na gai no kain tawraga su hangba ma'am leibane ba ko adum question kai sing se yengba kanda do question ju uba kanda dum khangbane ba sigumba sidi su makhoina adi dum nainaraga laba po nainaraga lakba haise khoina day to day life hadi satra oina lakpa kanda khoina dum khanga aga thengnara ba ngakta ne ba sigumba sing sidi ko adum question se paraga kari no dum khanga doine kaina luboi oida bane ba ko sigumba sidi part or whole ki difference so dum hange ko wheel versus car ko wheel versus car gi chaka kind darga sumaina to sum hangi flower gi petals kind ga hangi dana petals na flower ni flower gi kari no kind tar dum bain darga sum hangem set to ba yai ba ko sigi differencing se puthok ko tori me ba ko question se pirak pa kanda mana ba pirak ka doini mana da ba ma set tor ka ni sigi difference kari no kind tar ga set tor ka hanga ka doini ba ko mathang na space visualization haisa karino hargadi is the ability to mentally manipulate tobangamba rotate or visualize the shape and object in space akhoi gi particular kino ama na id object ama haita ko mentally khoina manipulate to ya ba rotate to ya or visualize to ya ba do ne ba khoina space visualization haise haibadi it can be test whether you can imagine 2D or 3D object the test of their position oigera movement oigera transformation oigera without physically seeing them physically udaba kanda khoina 2D or 3D object ki form da khoina imagine to ba ya ba du ne ba in simple word haiba matamda adi it is a skill of imagining object neba like khoi gi mind gi eyes se sid imagine to doi neba like folding unfolding paper rotating cube mirror image asina chingba sine magi type se fit yeng se ba dum thengna ramani sigumba question sing se ko dum yenga kan thengna ba ngak to oibane bu ko component of space visualization or we can say this as a types of space visualization has we are mirror image dum previous year question kai yeng bada mirror image ka yarong ngani haibadi sigi Manipur University ki MTS ki previous year haibanate ato competitive exam ka tha bada mirror image ka se dum yawbani thengnaramani bu ko mirror image haragadi finding how an object look like in a mirror reflection mirror gi reflection du da particular object se kamaina finding to ni karma mong da lakani haibado adu ne aikoina left side ta tham taragadi particular image form to right side the form to doine ba right ta gi yengak pa taragadi left oina form to doine ba ko mirror image se example in hide cat se khoina mingsen da thamba kan da khoina si mong si da ugane ba cat cat se TSC type to urakane mirror image ne ba ko sige se then mathang na water image water dana kamaina uni hargana reflection as it keep above the water surface top down oina makok ka mathaka se change to thokna gane khangba anmaina word bed se water image tadi kamai tawni mathak makha ol agala ane ba khoina BAT bed laitra ol agala kadorme ba sumaina tawraga lakane ba khangba BAT bed se mathak makha opposite oraga up down lakane ba upside down lakane ba ko Then paper folding and cutting ki form da so dum question hang bani ko. Folding a paper and cutting predict the final pattern when unfold. Akoi da question ama set tawra ka doin haira ka doini paper ama leire si close thupsale amina tawre kaina mathang da ja muk hang do e amuk hanu thupsale adudi magi unfold oibagi kaino se kaya no image kya form taw kibano magi line si kya form taw kibano kaire hang ba yaw bane ba ko practice question tawbagi ama ni hapani sigi se dum khangani ko. Mathangdana cube and dice problem ki matang da so hangi unfolded cube nets or rotated dice ki matang da ko adum questions magi practice question tau se ba zum sigma se kitang lu haidi just practice question tau dradi gyan tarwe na ina question ama ni hapsil e ba ko sigi se yeng se ba question se mathangdana 3D rotation leire ko particular object se cube oigera pyramid oigera cylinder oigera koi ki mind loina view do doini si sing se then embedded figure ko hidden figure oi ba se koina puthoka doini then construction of shape ki matang da figuring out what piece join in party haidi figure ama pirani figure khara pirani si karba figure hapsal laga form complete figure olhan doino kaina ga sumain tor ga hang ba yaw bane ba ko aduna construction of shape ne ba ko examples yeng se ba. A square sheet of paper is folded once along the middle and a small circle is cut out from the center. When the paper is unfolded completely, how many circles will appear? Sida hai se square sheet of paper shima fold tawre ba middle da made fold tawre and a small circle is cut out. Apik pa circle se cut out tawre ba aduga the paper sham ko handa unfold tawre adudi mangonda circle kya lakaduino sine ko sigi sidal circle kya lakadorimo sine ba hangi se ko dudi kya lakani haragadi option number D 4 circle lakane ba haibadi sida unfold to paper ani ni natra paper ani unfold paper ani ni ko fold to ri sa dudi hangdor pa matamda mafam mari position mari thokna thoka kan he ba ko. Next question is a cube has face number 1 to 6. If 1 is opposite to 6 and 3 is opposite to 4, then which is opposite to 2? Ko cube amada koi 6 face lay 1 dai na 6 fo lay ko 1 gi opposite se kanano 6 ni 3 gi opposite se kanano 4 ni adugi 2 gi opposite se kaya oi doi no si ne bahangi se ko 2 gi opposite si kya oi ni har ga option number C 5 oi ga ne ba ko. Next question is a dice show the number 2 on the top and 5 on the front. After rotating, which number will come in the bottom? Dice the 2 se mathak da show tawre 5 na makha da show tawre adudi rotate tawba matum da ma se karamba number makha da laka doinu sine ba. So question number 3 gi answer sidi option number D 6 laka ne ba ko. So sumaina da organi hangi je question 6 ko atopa question just only question gi previous year atopa state ki hangi ba reasoning question amagi video amaga ithagala khige aduna lution jarage ko reasoning ability ge aduga adui matang da maths ki chu pambi ba taragadi mayam adum haibiro ai maths ki chu semjara ki ba ko haidi semjara ki hai sai question kam ba hanga ka doinu haibu ai khang bangam de but particular syllabus da yauri dugi concept khoktani ko in hai se mathang question sidi problem solving ki matang da problem solving har ga di khoi gi cognitive process ki khoi gi brain gi na kaino taw duini ko haibadi particular kino se the problem se khoi understand taw duini analyze taw duini possible over solution and choosing the best option to achieve the goal do achieve taw na bai damakta khoi na brain se phat an sijin tare cognitive process se phat an taw tare ko haibadi problem se kari hairi no haiba sa han khang ba tare analyze taw ba tare possible over solution khang ba tare aduga magi base over option to choose taw duine ba ko adiga reasoning da ko reasoning ability da problem solving question se khoi gi logic season nagani calculation season nagani visualization season nagani decision making skill season na duine ba just aina khan ba do si ni hekta khal ba do to oi ba na te logic tha thaba ma thau tai ba calculation gum gi la di calculation tha thaba ma thau tai ba ko in short khoi da problem solving se solve do ki har gadi han ba da identify to ma thau tai analyze to godam ni decide to godam ni aduga solve to godam ne ba ko then mathang da lai si types yeng se ba exam ga hang ba ya ba question sing ni ko types of problem solving in exam do ne bu ko exam da ga hang ba sing do ni logical problems ki matang thangi based on logic rules or sequence ki matang da haibadi question si hai se if A is smaller than B higher C ko B A is greater than B is greater than C, then who is the smallest kainaga ko Ram is taller than Syam ko Syam is taller than Mohan, then who is the smallest kainaga tawraga sumain tawraga hangba yaba question ne ko adugumba duni ko logical problems ne badugumba do mathang dana mathematical or quantitative problem. Mathematical quantitative problems haragadi akhoi arithmetic natraga basic algebra na solve tawba yaba do. If a train travels 60 km in 1 hour, how long 180 km? 60 kilometers, yeah. 1 hour the 60 km travel to we higher do the 180 kilometers, yeah. Pung ya sang na travel to no ba. Adi 1 hour the 60 changa kadi 180 se kya da sangani pung ahum da 180 km travel daw ne adumaina tawna akhoi gi speed ki form da question hang ba yae bako asigum basna mathematical or quantitative problems ne bako. Then mathang dana puzzles ki problems na khoi gi seat arrangement gumba blood relation gumba direction gi matang daga ko adumaina tawna hange bako. Khoi sitting arrangement sigumba gi say in question amani di happen adu mi nga sibo question oinu ka. Then decision making problems haragana karamana hena based no period options sidagi habadu puthok toine ba habidi if school requires 60% mark and age below 18, can a 17-year-old with 65 apply? School do the koi ana asigi say decision making oidoni problems ko sida high school do the 60 mark की percentage required हो रहा है सही से below 18 ने है को आदि 17 years शूरबा मी 65% यौरबा मी तो apply तो वो यागद्रा है ना जस्ट कोई की सादा decision making problems है so solve तो होंदो इन्हें बको. Then मथंग then analytical problem cause and effect कुम्बा assumption कुम्बा conclusion decide तो इन्हें को true or false की type तक पुथो का तो इन्हें को सिकुम बस अन्ना मना का है ना दिया उदे को हंग बस है दुम statement based तो इन्हें statement based है से दुम अदमाइना दुम हंग बस याव but म्याम दिया थेंग ना दे कोई शो मथंग दना सिकी क्वेश्चन से हाइफिड यंगा से बा A is taller than B is taller than C, who is the smallest? A से B दगी है ना वांगे है को B से ना C दगी है ना वांगे tallest से का नानो A ना ट्रा so option number A से ना correct answer ने बको. Next question is a man buy 5 pens for 100 rupees 100 की मी यमना पेन मंगा ले रे बक how many pen can be buy 500 की क्या ले भी या बनो सीने बक को 500 की क्या ले के दोइनो सीने ददी क्या नो हारा गदी option number B 25 pen ने बुको ले दुइशे so कमाइना नो हारा गदी pen manga gi lupa chamo oragadi pen amada lupa kun pire ko adudi 500 divided by 20 tause buko adudi kyano haragadi 25 tane option number B is na correct answer ne buko. Next question is 5 friends are sitting in a row the 5 friends ama famme ko A is left of B gi left the A se famme ko B adagi B gi left the C famme but right of D ko D na right neba do who is in the middle ka nanu si neba. So question number 3 ki answer se di option number B ta to inebo ko. Next question is analysis ki su analysis and judgment sa si di ka hai na du mamangi haji gi ha ki bodo mathak ki da yaw ki bodo dugum bani ko ka hai na num syllabus serial 9 na hapage du mai na dum hapsal ab ne ko si gi sa analysis har gadi particular problems se breakdown to do ni ko problems से breakdown to doing ideas or objects से smaller parts दा part दा breakdown to रगा का understand तो ना बहुत ना नहीं how ना दोइनी मागे structure relations और मागे hidden meanings से करीनो हाई बपों से को ना खंग ना बहुत ना दोइने बा हाई दिया कोई ने exam जगह तो दोइ से just whole ओइना पीरा में बा part की part मचा से हाई मागे relation से करीनो पीरी पर question से द relation से करीनो हाई बपों तो अदु दुनिया बा पुथोका दोइ से का. Then judgment haragadi akoina decision making natraga opinion form toba or natraga conclusion de arrive to holak bungam doine bako khang adugi judgment je pigi haragadi akoina fact logic and evidence khangba mathau tare ba ko evaluation and decision lai gadam ne ba judgment sida haibadi judgment sida to doi sha khoi mental process amani ko what is right which is the base which is true what's true haibado adu khang gadoine ba adu khang matung da koina solution ama conclusion ama piba ngam do remember ko. then mathangdana decision making sisu syllabus ki part ngaktani syllabus ngaktani ko decision making sina karino haragadi khoine it is a process of choosing the best option choose tawdoini from two or more alternative oiba fake logic values or possible outcome do adudagi best oiba poche choose tawdoine ba khoina exam daga decision making questions khoi critical thinking problem solving and judgment skills decide tawba ngamnabane pirise ko aduga decision making tawdoise khoina best choose of best action after evaluation tawra matung the best oiba pot khoina choose tawdoine bako magi types jing se exam da hangi sing se ethical decision making ki matang da hangi what is morally right ko managerial decision making best option leadership for organization matang da hangi ko logical decision making based on reasoning and condition ki matang da situational decision making problem based scenario ki matang da hangi bako si sing se anamanadi teaching ki field da na yam hangi sigumba kaino se logical decision making gumba si ko akhoi teaching aptitude gumba da na yam hangi ba. For example, a teacher find that two students are fighting. What should be the best action? Teachers na fangeba angang satra ani fight already. As a teacher, nang karamba kari step la khut ka doino sineba. Ko punish both student ani mag punish tawdura listen both side calmly tawdura ignore the fight tawdura expel both student tawdra sineb. So kai tawdoino haragadi akhoi ki best decision se kai no haragadi listen to both side calmly both side ani mag se calmly tagadam ne buka. If a school has limited fund already lairagadi what should be the priority kari priority oigani sine so kai no haragadi option number B improving library and labs ne buka so sumaina da una hangi ba decision making se ko siguma ja na manadi teaching aptitude kumbadani hena hangi ko. So mathangdana visual memory neba. Visual memory haragadi is the ability to remember, recall and recognize the object, shape, patterns, numbers, letters or figure what that were seen earlier. Habida khoina mamang do ukraba figure gumba oigera natra khoina letters oigera numbers oigera patterns oigera shape oigera object oigera khoina recognize or recall the wangam badugi ability to neba visual memories ko habidi akhoina uhiba bodo remember to bangam badu neba. Then magi concept se khoida hangi se magi mawong se exam da hangbai mawong se recognition kamaina no haragadi object natraga pattern se khoina pira aneba pira ibam hone finding the shape that shown earlier among the many options de mamang do uki ba shape ko adu puto kainaga taraga hangba yawe buko sigum jana manadi ka hena di sigi recognition type si di khoi hangdaba yam hangbadi yam ude but ama ni angangi level daga di dum hangba dum thingni buko. Mathangdana recalled oiba remembering and reproducing a figure sequence from memory dagi putorak na bagi khoina khangning singak na bagi ko sequence memory lay matching number lay odd one out to base odd oibagi puthok pasi budi dum thengnei ko atopa sing sidi ka hena hangbadi ude but ama ni aina to pa angangi keno to khotpagi yengba ka daga dum thengna khrebu ko sigum sing mathaki sing se ko adana mana tum akhoi gi level da ko MTS kombo igera recruitment kai kai da hangbo daga di odd one puthok paga sidi dum hange bu ko duga figure matching gumba ga sisu hange ba. Examples yin ko kamaina no harga di a pattern shown for 5 seconds pattern sing ki ulani ko sigumba ulaga puthokpaga putho kain hang hai ni buko sigumba sidagi ko same which of the following option have the same sequence mana base karam mano sine ko so maina doraga dum hang basu yawe sigumba se ko ka hena budi kino oide haidi hangbo utheng na de buko. Then sequence ki example kapi buga sulai sumaina hang balai. Then mathangdana odd one putho haini odd one se putho pagi ko odd one se sigi option si dagi odd one se kamunu haga the option number D ne ba habidi sigi ohum si di khoi gi geometry gi safe ngakta ne ba ko se makha gi si di na te dana ko odd already option number D si ne ba ko so sumaina tauna odd one ka so hangba lai ko odd one se tu budi dum thengna mani ba ko. Then mathangdana discrimination in reasoning si di kaino harga di akoina identify tawba ngamba differences between similar objects symbols figure or situations akoina difference puthokpa ngamba do discriminate tawba ngamba do difference ka dum mana bani ko ka hena khena da bani ko. Then discriminates akoina spotting difference and identifying the uniqueness ne difference ka dum mana ko discrimination si jo types haiba bo khoi gi figure discrimination figure se putho figure khara pira ani figure se the odd one putho kaina ga hangakpa letter or number discrimination ko number pira ani letters pira ani adu da manada ba khena ba se putho kaina ga hangpa ona traga pattern gi discrimination hangba su lei hadi mismatch oi ba sequence ona traga series pira isi da manada ba mismatch oi ba se putho kaina ga hangba auditory or visual discrimination ko uriba figure sida shape natraga figure sigi difference oi ba putho kain torga hangba su lei ba examples yeng se identify the difference number piriba number sigi difference oi ba sikar mano sini so kar mano haraga desi loina 5 na loi si kaktang 9 na loi ko difference oi ba sidi 6 ne ba then mathangi series now choose the incorrect sequence putho o hai incorrect sequence ka mano si oi joine ba ko DE lere de AB lere BC CD DE then FG ko FG sineba difference ya kaigino haragadi EZ lakadabane EF lakadabane ko haidi sigi series yung B C D E F natra then D E F sumai lakadoine E ga F ka lakadabane ko aduna sigi sida difference ne ko incorrect oi se sumai ne ba sequence si ne ko sumai tawrga dum hangba su yawe ko ai ka hena manung haksana question body ma'am set out dresses concept to ne ba ko question ka ki oina to state ta hangi ba sing to ai video amaga share to jarakige mathang na observation haragadi is the ability to notice identify and recall the small details object oigera figure oigera situation oigera information se quickly and accurately identify to notice to recall to ngamba ko haibadi particular question to the magi difference putho missing details hidden object or error putho kai lai na such spot to bangam do adugum ne observation kisi ko types of observation si details identification piriba picture sidagi missing items putho kai la ko error detection oiba haidi wahai khara sentence khara pirani kaino khara pirani the wrong figure putho spelling mismatch putho misplaced item putho kai taraga hangba then hidden figure sina finding the simple figure hidden inside the complex design figure ama pirani sida hidden oiba part che karamano karamba part missing oirino haibadu putho kaina ga hangba spot the difference identify to kaina hangba ko then memory observation text kumba figure kumba pirani khoina recalling details to recalling to be matang daga hangakpa good mind to ga hangba su yawi ko question wina dum ama khaktang yengsi which number is missing p the series the karma number no missing or 2 4 6 dudi 8 10 12 dudi kamano option number b sineba so mind organ number ke chudum hangne buko makhata na example ke shudum hapo budi ai ko ai video sem sang na sakhega dra haibagi ne buko ai upload tawbaga duga storage ki problems tum face tawe buko yaring ke di sang da na bani haina ina question ke du su yang pun hafsalak tre ba khar kaktang dum set tawre buko mathang na relationship haragadi reasoning the relationship haragadi ability to identify the connection between object person numbers letters or idea ko similarities mamang the similarities taw khibado adu duga mana yebo ko si question hang boda ju dum maina dum mana na hang mani habdi relationship ki tongan question ama duga similarities ki tongan question ani leite ko adi bagi syllabus da yaw budu ge dum main so hapselak pane ko sida taw do se khoina particular figure oigera magi sequence oigera any numbers oigera patterns oigera adu da khogi manaba relationship laiba se find out to thokadoine ko connection between two or more things ki connection se puthokadoine bas relationship tadi aduga types of relationships se khoina analogy gi relationship lai manaba ko similarities oiba puthokpa kasu lai ko two pair like cat ki kitten oire dog ki puppy kai tawraga sumaina dog ki karino dog ki puppy ni kai tawraga puthokpa then classification odd one out manadaba odd oiba puthokpa rose lotus mango lily hasidagi manadaba sikaramano mango is not a flower tai loina flower natra mango sidi flower nati buko the blood relationship ki matang da family finding relation ki matang da hangba A is the brother of B ni B is the father of C ni adudi C A what is A to C A ga C ga se kari bari lai nei no uncle ni kind of blood relation ki matang da ga hangba number letter ki relation ki matang da hangba logical pattern between number or letters ki pattern da 2 ki 4 oire 3 ki kari no 3 ki 6 ni cause and effect relationship ki matang da hangba maina tawraga su hange buko Mathangdana arithmetical reasoning neba. Arithmetical reasoning haisa is a type of logical reasoning neba where particular problem se arithmetic ki concept ta based tawraga hangadoi neba. Addition oigera, subtraction oigera, multiplication oigera, division oigera, percentage, ratio, time, works, profit and loss asina chingba khoi mathematical concept ki through the hanganeba ko. Sigisida tawdoisa particular candidate singsida haidi arithmetical reasoning the tawdoisa numerical information and apply the logic to solve the problem ne haidi test tawdorise particular candidate singse ability test tawdoine makoi ki numerical informations and problem solve tawdaba logic sa test tawdoine bako. Types of arithmetical reasoning the simplification and approximation like quick solving of arithmetic expression like any ratio and proportion like any then percentage and profit loss like any time, speed and distance, work and weights, is problems like any puzzles with arithmetic madang da hangani buka sigise question oina khara dum practice tawrasi. So siga question number pire ko A is 5 years older than B. After 3 years their age will total 35. What is A's present age ko? A se chahi manga older than B neba. After 3 years matung da ani sigi chahi se plus ta buda 35 neba. Do di A gi present age se kya no si nebo ko? Ador gadi let A se khoina x plus 5 fine ejum tawrasi buka. Aduga B gi sahi sina x ne haina ejum tawrasi. Adude after 3 years ki matungda kya lakani haragadi x plus 3 ko plus x plus 8 lakadeba. Present the 5 already 3 sahi ahum matungda 5 plus 3 already 8 ni dana equal to 35 tawrobo ko sigi kaino se calculation je khola matungda khoina x ki value se 12 fangakaneba. So x plus 5 sida 12 plus 5 tawra di 17 ta doine boko 17 se gi sida option yaurum dre boko 17 oi doine ba. Next question is A can do a work in 10 days. A kauriba mi sina 10 days the work complete to bangameba. B in 15 days, B in 15 days together numit kaya ni na makoy na work se complete to bangam sineba. Ko adudi numit kaya ni no haragadi option number B 6 days to luijan bangameba. A sina numit tarani da ko 10 days ta thabak se loy bangam magadi B na 15 days ta luijan ngam me adudi pull up na 6 days ta luijan bangam me ko. Next is a man brought a pen for rupees 50 and sold it to 20% profit. Rupees 50 na pen laroga 20% profit fangaga pen ama yole bako adudi magi selling price se kya no sine profit si mana 20% profit ni fangi se ko ado laire isina rupees 50 na ni laire ise ko ado di kaya no sine badudi 20 by 100 into 50 tau thuo se adudi 10 ne bako adudi tong jadi si kaino ni tong ise 10% ni ba tong ise adudi magi maman se 50 na laire 50 plus 10 oraga di 60 ne bako adudi option number C is the correct answer neba. Next question is time, speed and distance ki question am laira. Sige sidana yonko a train travel 120 km in 2 hours. What is the speed? Train se 120 km travel do reba 2 hours sa do magi speed se kaya oidori no sineba. Do already yenga seba. Speed ki formula se koi distance by time ni distance kya no 120 time kya no 2 do di simple kathana kan la khoina 60 fangane ba di 60 km per hour ne because maina tauna dum edi dum ilai lai ba mong da so hangba lai lu ba mong da so hangba lai ba ko ai particular series amaga purakhi ge duna last series oirani reasoning gi ko hadi previous year question plus yam toina hangan ba topic sing do adu based tawraga question oina amaga purakhi ge ba. Then mathang dana arithmetic puzzle laire the sum of three consecutive number is 72. What is the middle number? Sum of three consecutive numbers is 72 ne adu di middle number kya oi doi no adu di three consecutive numbers is x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equal to 72 tawra seba adudi magi middle da si se loina question biro mala calculation to biro ko tawra matung da koina kya phanga kani harga 23 phanga kane ba se hafetang ai ulake ba ai gi mafam se space khara laita bagi ne baina samjil lei se ko video se su yam sang ki gadra haina khallaga ne ba sigi se hafet ulam ge ba three consecutive number hai ni x plus 1 plus x plus 2 sa 72 ne ba ko do eragadi koi si se khot pi rasi x kano 3x plus 3 equal to samjala asi 72 aduragadi 3x is equal to 72 minus 3 taurasi adudi 72 minus 3 is 69 divided by 3 x ki value kano 23 fangebo option number B is na correct answer ne. Next na verbal and figure classification ni verbal and figure classification je verbal classification haragadi is the ability of group of work based on common property and identified to bangamba amase amada denote oide id odd one puthok bangamba do tu neba it check the logical thinking vocab and concept association se check to ganeba. Then figure classifications in a is the ability to identify a figure symbol that does not belongs to the given group because shape, size, rotation and patterns manade haiba pose koina classify tawbo ngamba puthokpa ngamdoineba sina tawdoi sa koi visual discrimination and observation test tawdoineba. In short, figure classification se odd one puthokpa dune dum mamangi pi khrising du dum manabane related dum moibane boko. Then mathangdana arithmetical number series sina koigi particular series a sequence oina piba ko specific logical order the sequence oina pira ani ko my addition subtraction multiplication division square cube difference hazike ko arithmetical reasoning do du go dum mana ne ba sigi su ko arithmetical number series ne ba. So kaino du da akoigi syllabus du da arithmetical number series mating etc haina pi ki bane ba ko atum to to pu su hangak pa ya ba dum laini like syllabus du da Venn diagram gumbaga yaudeba ko Venn diagram kai yaudeba adugi Venn diagram yauba then important oiba yam toina hanganba topic concept question kharaga ai series amaga purake exam gi mamang de MTS ki exam thadring gi mamang da amaga thagalaki ge boko ngan joi reasoning gi ama thagat khibane aduduga sisiga adum haifet ying minabada dei hana sudum thagat khibane boko adu sindum yenga kana gani na khalle ko. Dan mathang na sigi se type of खुगी मैथमेटिकल नंबर सीरीज की टाइप से हंगे से खुगी सिंपल एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन की मतंग द हंगे एग्जांपल द 2 4 6 मथंग करी लाकनी 10 लाकनी मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन की मतंग दगा हंगे को स्माइन एग्जांपल तुम पीरे 2 4 8 16 मथंग कई ओइदोइनो काइने को सीरीज लाकपा देन स्क्वायर एंड क्यूब की मतंग द हंगे मिक्स ऑपरेशन की मतंग द हंगे को देन खुगी अल्टरनेट ओइबा पैटर्न 2 4 8 16 10 adudi mathang kai lakani 22 square 3 square 2 square 2 cube 2 4 sumaina tawna tawraga mathang kai laktoinu haibagi series the alternate oiba pattern gi matang da then different series ki matang da 3 6 11 18 27 adin mathang kari lakani haibagi series difference oiba kya kya no haibi post sumaina tawraga hange ba ko hangi ba types ni magi example du go ne ba pi rising se ko so ngasi gi oina sigal loira thank you.